Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Sash. As with Sash basically. So here, as we all know that the new list for the cue cards from January to April has been released, and a lot of students were facing problems in the new cue cards. So I am here to help you guys, and I will present the cue cards for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so we are going to do the first cue card, that is describe something that was broken in your house and then repaired. Okay, you should say what it is. Means it is talking about some kind of technological equipment that is placed in your house, and what this kind of equipment it is, how it was broken. I mean, how what happened to the equipment, as why it broke down. It is not necessary to mention this out. We also say that we don't know how it broke down, how you got it repaired. I mean, what exactly you did to get the thing repaired, and how you felt about it after the thing get repaired. Okay. Okay. So let us look at the ideas first. Ideas could be, please guys don't talk about your smartphone because it is your personal technological gadget. We'll not talk about that. We'll talk about that gadget that is placed in your home. It could be any of it. I mean, it could be a television, it could be watch, it could be inverter, it could be AC, it could be refrigerator, it could be microwave. Okay, any of it will work. And if you guys have any other idea related to any of this particular equipments, then you should mention me in the comment section and let me know. Fine. Okay, so let's get started with the cue card. Please listen to it very carefully. Okay, as we all are a part of throwaway society, we often buy things as against getting them repaired. However, here I would like to talk about a situation when I let my air condition repaired. I vividly remember last summer when the sun was at its peak, with the temperatures ranging from around 40s to 50 degrees Celsius. That time, our AC was being used around the clock. But one hot night, when I was spending quality time with my family, all of a sudden, the AC started leaking water. I didn't know the exact reason as why it started leaking, but we were really scared at that moment as it was late at night around 10 p.m. and no mechanic would be available and he would come that late to repair it. Plus, thinking of sleeping without AC was a scary dream for all of us. Then, an idea popped up in my mind. I suggested my parents to call our next door neighbor, as I had seen him fixing things many times at his home. We immediately called him up. He started inspecting the AC and came up with the conclusion that the AC filters were not cleaned. He removed them off, my mother washed them separately, and after we dried them with the blower, my uncle fixed the filters on the AC. Unfortunately, it didn't leak at that time. We really thanked our neighbor for the help at such a late hour. After he left the house, we all started dancing with joy as the biggest problem of the day was solved. My father really appreciated my quick advice that saved our day. Finally, we had a good night's sleep. So, this was a time when our air conditioner broke down and we got it repaired. Okay, so I hope this cue card is okay for you and you will not face any of the problem in this particular cue card. So if you guys have any problem regarding this cue card, regarding any of the question you have, you can comment me in the comment section and I will reply you back. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.